All right, so this is how I make over 10K a month selling really just one GoHighLevel website and automation. Just to show you, this is our Stripe. You can see we've done over $100,000 a year, so well over 10K a month. We can refresh this here and you'll see. So there you go. There's our volume. So a couple $100,000 just selling this. Let me show you how this works. So we are selling review management on HighLevel, and there's a lot of different ways that we do it. This is the one way that you've probably seen all over the internet selling review management, but there is a couple things that you really need to know if you're going to sell this using HighLevel. So the first thing is this sort of review management works fantastic, but it doesn't really comply anymore. So there's one big issue with this called review gating. This is an example of one of our customers that we've been selling. This is a gold and silver shop here in Frisco, Texas. And we have a simple GoHighLevel form built here. In HighLevel, we've built this form under Forms Websites, and this is our reputation management form that we've built. I'm going to include all this in a snapshot, so just comment the word review on this video and I'll send you the snapshot. So the way this form works is we have a quick thank you. We're sending people to this from a QR code. So we'll make this form. I'll show you how to make the QR code here in a second. And then we have this field. So we really just have one field. If we look at the settings for this radio button field, all we have over here are our different options. So we have very dissatisfied, dissatisfied, neutral, satisfied, and very satisfied. And then what we do is we have conditional object for redirecting to URLs and qualifying leads and displaying custom messages and stuff with this form set up. So depending on which option that they click, they'll be sent to another website, which basically gives them access to leave feedback. So if, let's say, dissatisfied, I can just click that. It sends us to a feedback form. We can leave review and say, what happened wrong with this business, and then we can submit this and they don't go to Google. And on the other end, if they say they're very satisfied, then they click next, then we can click below to leave a review. And then now that they've submitted this form, goes over to Google and we can leave a review for this business. You can see we've got 131 positive reviews for this business. I'm going to show you another example that we're doing this with. This is a medical client that we're working with, especially in the medical space. This can do absolute wonders because they have a lot of money. And the beautiful thing about this is we've actually gotten them insane results for this company. So we have a reputation management form, again, on a website page. So you can just make a very simple website page that can say, thanks for working with us. How would you describe your experience? Very satisfied, you can continue, and then this sends them to the Google review page. Again, you can see this has worked absolutely phenomenally. Got 554 4 stars or 4 and 5 star reviews on this Google business profile, 4.9 stars total. It's insane. Now, the thing you need to know in order to effectively implement this is it's smarter to use an automation to actually text the customer based on what they said in the form. So instead of directing them straight to Google, what we are going to be doing is using automations. So we'll build one very simple automation inside of our sub account. Again, this will be included in the snapshot. And what we're doing is we're adding a trigger for upon form submission. So whenever somebody submits that form, that reputation management form that we have created, right? So form is rep management form. Then we'll save. Then we will set our action as if, and depending on what they picked. So if that radio button is very dissatisfied, dissatisfied, or neutral, then what we can do is we can set up this segmentation. We can set up our second branch for, again, that radio button is satisfied. Again, you can set this up for very satisfied. You can do this on a star system, both work. And then we will save this. And what we're going to do here is we're going to actually send an SMS to the customer. So I know you've seen a lot of information probably online saying review gating isn't allowed anymore, which is true. You're not supposed to kind of do that old form system. You can get away with it in other countries, but here in the US, it's kind of becoming an issue. Again, use it at your own risk. It does work really well, but you may want to switch to a system like this in order to stay compliant. And all we're doing is we're saying, please leave us a review here, and then we will include the link to the Google business profile. And we will do the same thing sort of for the dissatisfied branch. We'll say, sorry, you had a bad experience. And then what we will do is we will reach out to them and say, what can we do to make it right? Something like that. Again, you have to be kind of careful about what you're actually saying to the customers, but this system is compliant and this will allow you to kind of get around any of those issues with review gating. So at the end of this, all we have is one automation for when the form is submitted based on what they're saying, and we're going to send them to a review link if they had a good experience, and we're going to send them to a feedback form if they had a bad experience, and then try and engage with them and get a conversation going, maybe send them a gift card, try and get some sort of positive experience, and then once we have a positive experience, then we'll send them to the review page. And lastly, we need a QR code. So this is what allows us to actually send customers to that page. I'm actually going to hop over to the medical offer so I can show you this. So these are the QR codes that we've got for this offer. So we can put these on a desk, we can print them out, we can make a sticker, put it at the front desk of the local business, and then people can scan it and then they can actually leave a review. And the last thing that you want to create is an SMS or email review reactivation process. So we can add another automation or we can just make some text snippets, which we'll do under snippets right here. We can click a new snippet, we can click create text snippet. We'll do review. We'll then paste in our review body. So this is the one that we've got from our medical offer. We're just going to use this over here. And all you have to do is just say, thanks for trusting us with your services. Would you consider leaving us a review at your review link? I would highly recommend making this as a custom value inside of settings. That way you can reference it at any point. But basically, you can create this quick little SMS snippet and then just text this to all of their customers. So get a CSV, get a Google Sheet of their customers, tell them that, hey, you're going to run a review reactivation campaign. You can charge $1,000 for it, or you can charge based on per review. So you can say, hey, we know we're going to get you at least 100 reviews if your list is of at least 1,000 people. So just pay us $5 per good review, $2 per good review, right? A lot of people would actually have an incentive for their customers to leave reviews anyways. They'd give them a lollipop. They'd give them, I've actually seen some people give them real money, like a gift card or $5 to leave a review. But this way, they're actually paying you to get real reviews from real customers. So it's super ethical. It does a lot of really good things for the business owner. It means that they're going to be getting more business on their Google business profile when they've got, just like this, 500 plus perfect Google reviews. It means that they're going to be getting more business, and it's one of the easiest things to sell and maintain. Now, the last part of this is actually how do you charge? How do you make money off of this? So like I said, do a setup, do a one-time payment fee for the setup process. So that way you can collect some cash up front if you want, or they can just pay you monthly. So we have for a lot of these offers, all you have to do is just build a payment link to send them to. So just go in your HighLevel account, go to payments, make sure Stripe's connected, go to payment links and create a payment link for yourself in order to send to them to pay you $200, $300 a month in order to get access to the review management system that you're giving them. The last part about this is if you want to actually manage their whole Google business profile and respond to reviews as well, you can upsell Reviews AI. So Reviews AI, super cool. It allows you under the reputation section of HighLevel to have an AI agent respond to reviews. So this is fantastic. You'll be able to see all of the reviews inside of reputation and then reviews. You can see we've got a bunch right here, and this AI agent is responding to them on their behalf. So you can upsell this for like another $50 a month, $100 a month. Tell them that, hey, the faster that you respond to reviews, the more Google is going to push your page, and it's going to actually engage with your customers for you. And it works really well. So you can just show them, really, you can even just take screenshots of this, show them how this works, and it sends AI replies back to your reviews. It's absolutely awesome. So with this, you can easily be pulling in $200, $300, $400 a month with just reputation management. Again, that's the entire system. It's one form, it's one website, it's one automation, maybe some review SMSs and some AI reviews agents, but that's really it. This is one of the easiest things you can sell to local businesses using HighLevel. QR code, review management, form, collect reviews, get people on their Google business profile, and respond to those reviews using AI. Even after many years of running multiple SaaSes, multiple agencies, selling website design, email marketing, all the different things, review management is still one of my favorite things to sell with HighLevel because it's so dang simple. And if you want access to a 30-day free trial, just click the link in the description and you can start using HighLevel for free. Of course, if you have any questions about this, just drop a comment on this video. As always, my name is Andrew, and thank you very much for watching.